searched relaxing music on YouTube, and I was astonished when I noticed the staggering view counts on those videos. I analyzed a bit further, and I saw one of these channels estimates in monthly earnings from 9,000 euros to a whopping 145,000 euros. That's right. So I decided to make a video about how we can create a relaxing music channel of this kind using AI. We'll be exploring 3 different free AI tools that'll help you create your music videos from scratch.
Okay, let's go.
We begin our journey with Tracksy AI, an AI music generator tool that is free to use and comes with the bonus of being monetizable on YouTube. Just ensure you've understood the terms of use before using the music on other platforms. You start by setting up a Tracksy AI account, a process as simple as clicking sign up. Use your email or Gmail account, and that is it, you're in. Now, all it takes are 3 easy clicks to generate your own musical masterpiece. First, pick a genre or mood. We'll go with ambient music in this example. Then, decide on the length of your track, anything from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. Lastly, click Create My Track and sit back while your unique piece of music comes to life. If you're happy with it, hit save, or if not satisfied, click Create My Track again for a fresh tune. Once you're ready to download, go to your library and click Download. Remember to include the necessary license or attribution in your content description. Next up, we'll take this freshly minted AI music and create a music video with it using Canva. You won't need any complicated video editing tools for this. Canva has got you covered. Search for a video style that resonates with your music, set it as the background, and drag and drop your AI-generated music into the Canva editor area. Keep adding videos until the length of the video matches your audio track. And there you have it. Your music video is ready. Download it as an MP4 in your desired quality, ensuring that all pages are selected. Here is your final video. Now, if you want a more personalized touch, Waveformer allows you to type in a prompt and generates music based on that. It's perfect for short pieces as it's limited to 30 seconds, ideal for YouTube Shorts, Instagram feeds, or similar content. The results will be in both music and video formats for your convenience. Lastly, as the third tool for long-form relaxing music, we have Beetoven.ai. The free plan lets you generate music for up to 5 minutes, while the premium version gives you up to 15 minutes. The process is as simple as the others. Sign up, log in, click New Track, title of the track, and pace set to normal, and finally choose ambient music type with calm settings, and you're good to go. If you're not satisfied with the first track, you have alternatives available, or you can generate a new one entirely. Additionally, you can upload the video which we downloaded from Canva and finalize the video editing. If you're hungry for more, I have 2 more videos reviewing 4 additional AI music and song generators. Thank you for watching. Our channel is all about introducing the latest and most useful AI tools. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on the newest AI tools. See you in the next video.